Numbers, what do they mean? What are they telling me? How can I use the numbers to make better business decisions? These are the questions my potential clients ask. My name is Michael Barbarita from Next Step CFO with the Know Your Numbers Minute. One of the things that I do is I show the business owner how to use their financial statements to make better business decisions. Through a combination of metrics like gross profit margin, operating cost per hour, sales per customer, and others, I can help the business owner make confident and more strategic and accurate business decisions. But it all starts with accurate financial statements. So remember, the most successful business owners know their numbers.